guys, what's up and welcome back to another unboxing video. Today I'm going to be sharing with you my recent favorite pillowcase that is from Elegear, and it's a cooling pillowcase which I'm very excited to use for this summers. So let's go ahead and open the pillowcase. I got it in gray color like this, and cooling pillowcase, cooling pillowcase is so good because it keeps you cool and comfortable for the entire night. This feels so soft, and it's also ultra cooling, breathable, anti-static, silky, skin friendly, and hypoallergenic. As you can see that it has a double-sided design. Use Japanese arc chill cooling fiber, which is amazing for summer and hot days, and the other side is soft, breathable, and 100% cotton fabric you can use for spring, autumn, and winters. I also love them because we all know how important it is to get our 8 hours sleep for a betterment of skin elasticity, skin moisture, skin repair in a cellular level, and it promotes a healthy skin basically. So this cooling method will definitely help you sleep longer and in a comfortable way. It doesn't wake you up 100 times a night because of sweat or stuff like that. And lastly, it has a very sleek and a hidden zipper design which makes the pillowcase look very beautiful. So I'm gonna put my pillow in this right now because I cannot wait to sleep on this. Also, it has like a very wide mouth, so your pillows go in very easily and you don't have to fight your pillowcase. So let's go ahead and put my pillow in the pillowcase. And there you go. This is the side I'm gonna use for summer and hot days, and this is the side I'm gonna use for all of the other weather. So yeah, it feels so nice and cold to put your head down here. Oh my god, cannot wait for better sleep days. So I hope you like this unboxing. You guys can check them out, and all the details are in the description box below with the coupon code, so don't forget to check it out, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Until then, bye bye.